The Consumer Affairs Department on Tuesday filed a complaint against food major Nestle India with the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission (NCDRC) seeking damages of Rs 640 crore, alleging that the company sold unsafe and hazardous products, Maggi noodles, to millions of consumers, endangering their health. It has also alleged the company indulged in misleading and deceptive advertisements and also resorted to unfair trade practices to earn unjust profits. While dragging the firm to NCDRC on behalf of millions of consumers, the department has appealed to the Apex Commission to direct Nestle India to deposit the amount in Consumer Welfare Fund as permissible under the Consumer Protection Act. Moreover, it has sought imposing 18% interest on the damage claimed till the actual payment is made by the firm. The department's complaint also mentioned that the claim for damage could increase as and when more disclosures and findings about the unsafe products surface. In its prayer, the department has said the punitive exemplary damages are significant in the present case and are intended to reform and deter the opponent and other food companies from engaging in conduct similar to that of Nestle, so that the common public does not suffer and is not helpless to protect its health and well-being. The complaint was vetted by Additional Solicitor General Sanjay Jain, alleging that by its unfair trade practices as well as defective and hazardous products, it has caused injury to millions of consumers. The department has sought class action against the company.